seafood Korean soup. May own version. Yan, nilagyan ko na madaming gulay. Ano siya, mussels at saka shrimp. Yan. Lagay ko ng mushroom, celery, may carrots, at saka bok choy, Chinese cabbage, corn. Yan. Tapos maanghang hot and spicy. Yan yung kainin namin for lunch. At saka breakfast na din, isahan na. Because we wake up late. Yan. Food. Let's dip in.